we'll guide you through how to sync Google Calendar with your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the Google account you want to sync. On the left side, you'll see a list of your calendars. Click on the three dots next to the calendar you want to sync, and then select Settings and Sharing. This will open the Calendar Settings page. Scroll down to the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you'll see various options for syncing your calendar. If you want to sync this calendar with another platform or application, copy the public URL to this calendar, or if you need a more detailed link, use the secret address in iCal format. These links can be pasted into other calendar services like Outlook or Apple Calendar to keep everything in sync. If you want to sync with a third-party app, you'll often find an option within the app to add a calendar by URL. Just paste your copied URL there. Remember, if you make your calendar public, anyone with the link can view it, so be sure to manage your privacy settings accordingly. If you're using an app that supports Google Calendar directly, you might just need to log in with your Google account within that app, and it will handle the syncing for you. Once everything is set up, your events should automatically sync across devices. Keep an eye on the sync intervals, as some apps might have a delay in updating events. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.